This week we're going to do something very special that reminds us of something that Gato used on the Pirates episode. Do you know what it is? Today we make a kaleidoscope. Learn with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. What we will make today is not exactly a spyglass, but it looks similar. We will need an empty can of chips, aluminum foil, laminating sheets, cardboard, foam sheets or colored paper, silicone, and baking paper. Calculate how much foam you need to cover your can. Cut it. And glue it with silicone. When it's covered, you can decorate it as you want. Let your imagination fly. In the base, make a hole carefully. This has to be done by an adult. Now comes the complicated part, but it will make sense in a moment, you'll see. To make the inner part of the kaleidoscope, first we have to make a circle as big as our can. Make a line in the middle and make another half circle like this. And these 3 points will be the vertices of a triangle that fits inside the circle. It's complicated, right, Gato Rainbow? This is how much our 3 cardboards have to measure. Like this. Okay, now, so that all the colors are reflected inside, we will make a kind of mirror laminated in aluminum foil. Look how cool! Cut it to the same size as the cardboard and glue it on top. Do this 3 times. And put it inside the can, forming a triangle. On a piece of acetate, trace your can. And cut it. Put it on top of the cardboards and glue it well so that it doesn't move. Now do the same thing on a piece of baking paper. And glue it to the lid. We can put whatever we want on a kaleidoscope, but a very easy way to make translucent shapes is to color a piece of acetate and cut it into small pieces. Now stick them to the lid with tape and enjoy your homemade kaleidoscope. Look how how many colors! We hope you liked it. Make sure you follow us on social media. We hope to see you next week. There will be a super fun new episode and we'll finally know what happened to Gato Rainbow and Gata Moon's time machine. Bye!